Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to solve a medium-level LeetCode challenge. The problem statement is, write a solution to find employees who have the highest salary in each of the departments. Return the result table in any order. Okay, let's get into the problem. First, we are going to use the very simple join and subquery method. We are try this problem in MySQL first, and mostly on every SQL engines the code will be work fine only. Let's do it in a simple way. That is, first join the employee and department table first. Both having the common column is department and ID, so, based on that, do the join. Now, simply find the max salary as the subquery, and here we go. Now the code is accepted, so, now we are try with other different method. Now we are going to do using common table expression, that is CTE, in which we are first create a table, in which find the highest salary using max aggregate function, and then now query the required columns which are given in our output, and give the appropriate alias's name also properly. Then join with the common column department and ID, and again join employee table with max salary with the department ID. Boom, we are done. We just missed employee spelling, now we rectified it too. Now code accepted successfully. Always check for typos in the editor every time, and then run the query. Now we can try with the rank window function, which we play like a subquery, in which first we select the required column first. Then in from clause select the table in which we need to use rank function, and over clause we are using salary order by descending order. Then use a join in which join both table with the common column name clailed department ID. So always check for the typos and appropriate brackets while reading the query, and then run the query. Now just use another window function that is dense rank, which is very simple. Just replace rank with dense rank, we get the output again. Now we are going to solve a difficult level problem, but with the almost same concept, where we need to find department top 3 highest salary. A company's executives are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's departments. A high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. Write a solution to find the employees who are high earners in each of the departments. Now, copy-paste the same dense rank code, and replace dense rank is equals 3. And execute the code. The code will be executed in just 100 milliseconds only. So, that's all for today. See you tomorrow within another interesting coding challenge.